Well, I feel like an old hobo on the sad, lonesome and blue. I was fair as a summer day. Now the summer days are through. You pass through places, and places pass through you, but you carry them with you on the soles of your travel.
Today I wanted to introduce you to a different side of my life that I haven't shown y'all before, and it's what I do when I'm going out to eat. So come along and join me. We're going to Havana Outpost in Brooklyn, New York, and I want to show y'all what my life is like.
I got the wandering blues, and I'm gonna